have the Glossy box for the month. No. Hey guys, so I have the Glossy box limited edition Easter one. Sadly, they did sell out of this, but if you want to subscribe to Glossy box, you can definitely subscribe using my link. It's an affiliate link as far as them tracking how many people use the link, but I do not get compensation. You guys know that I like to keep it 100% honest with you guys on my channel and let you guys know what I get compensation for and what I don't. They did send me this one for review purpose, and also just to give you the deets, Glossy box is $21 a month. You do get more than what you pay for. Like a lot of subscription boxes, you get a value of way more than what you're paying for. And then from time to time they do like limited edition ones, and this is one of their limited editions. It's an Easter one, and from what I see, it's so cute. It's like a little egg, which is so adorable. So I will be opening this with you guys and giving you guys my thoughts on it. And yeah, and if you want to subscribe, they did give me a coupon code. I don't get compensation from it. It's for your benefit and for them to kind of track how many people use my code. And it is my name, Melissa, in all caps. So if you're interested in getting a I think it's like a 22% off, you can use that as well. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So, oh, is that not cute? That's the little card, and let's pop this little sucker out. Oh, it is slippery. Okay, let me put the box down. Oh my God, if this isn't so cute. Okay, definitely gotta do my little thumbnail like. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this little egg up. I know my son is gonna go crazy when he sees this egg. He's going to love it. So I'm probably gonna lose this egg to my son because he's gonna wanna play with it. But it's super cute and has their little logo on the ribbon there. So let's go ahead and jump in. And here I have my little nifty card to tell me what's in here. So first thing that I see in here is this little band. Oh, this is so cute. I see people on Instagram wearing this in all their little silly videos where they make all those faces like. So this is worth $6.99. It's a makeup headband. So cute, by the Vintage Cosmetics. So I'm not gonna put it on now because it's just gonna, like, I already have a headband on. But this is so cute and it has a little bow on it. So I will definitely be using that. Next thing that I see is this pudding jelly mask sheet, and it's grape. I love grape. I don't know what it is about grape, like grape soda, grape tasting stuff. Like I'm one of those people that put grape jelly on their hash browns. I love grape. So this is a jelly mask from Tony Meli, and it's $6, and it's packed with vitamin A, B6, and C to help with firmness and elasticity. So hopefully it smells like grape too. That would be amazing for me because I just love grape. So I definitely will let you guys know on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me down below. I do giveaways. I post pretty pictures of makeup. I do my makeup of the day before work. So yeah, I will let you guys know on Instagram if this bad boy here smells like grape or not. Next thing in here that I see is the Q&A Niacinamide Daily Toner. It's supposed to help sebum and calm breakouts and declog pores. I'm not gonna even open this because right now I already have a few toners, and to be honest, I'd rather give this away to one of you guys. So this is worth $11, and it's supposed to help like remove makeup, skin impurities, and just like really take off any kind of you know, dirtiness in your face. So yeah, so I will definitely put this in a giveaway. It comes with 3.4 fluid ounces, which is a nice amount. Next thing in here that I see is a highlighter, and this is from 3ina. I've never heard of this brand, but I do like the packaging. It's just like matte. Oh, that is pretty. Ooh, she is pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. Oh, that is beautiful. Yes, mamacita. Oh, that is beautiful. I like that. That is like a beautiful sheen. So I already have highlighter on, but we're just gonna overdo it and add a little bit more and see if I can tell the difference with this one on top. So it's very similar with like a little pinky undertone to it, to the highlighter that I have on, but you definitely see like the buildup there. So that is, ooh, that is pretty. So I've never heard of this brand, but we'll definitely look into it, but that is cute. And that is worth $17. Then the next thing in here is a little mini. This is by, what is this called? This is a deluxe size which is worth $27. Holy crap, this thing is expensive. The full size is worth $85. This is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment. It is supposed to like exfoliate your skin and brighten your skin. I definitely will be putting this in a giveaway for someone because my skin is just already dry, and I every time I try to use something that's very exfoliating like that, I usually end up with it irritated and peeling. So we'll give this to somebody who can really use it. And then the last thing in here is an Illamasqua lipstick, and this is an antimatter lipstick. That's the name of the shade. And this is in the this is worth $26. So I have heard really great things about Illamasqua. Oh, look at that shade. It's just like a beautiful, like everyday pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it because I think that this is a shade that I will definitely use. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. This reminds me of Angel by, like, I want to say by MAC, the Angel lipstick that was so popular for like the longest time. That is so beautiful. That is like a beautiful everyday, and Illamasqua is like really beautiful packaging, like a little bit bougie. So we'll be using that, and that is worth $26. Well, she is pricey, but like I said, Illamasqua is pricey and bougie. So that is it for everything in my little egg, my little huevo. So that is it. This packaging is so cute. I'm gonna try to keep it back there for this month, but we shall see, because I think my son, as soon as he sees it, he's gonna be like, I want that. Like, he's gonna want to play with it. So I think that this is a really nice limited edition box. I love the fact that it was all in the egg, which makes it just like super cute. As always, I will put the total value here. Like I said, a Glossy box is $21 a month. You can use my code and link if you want to subscribe. Like I said, I don't get compensation. It's more for them to keep track of who uses my code. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.